are going to see a large, beautiful penthouse in excellent condition. It's located directly beachfront in the Costa de Oro area of Salinas. This unit has large windows throughout, a nice, bright, open floor plan, and best of all, it has head-on ocean views and panoramic views of the city, sunset views as well. We've been passing through the living room, which is large enough to really be divided into two separate seating areas. The living room opens out to a great balcony. Part of the balcony or terrace is under roof. It has a ceiling fan and a lighting fixture, great for an outdoor dining area. And the rest of the balcony faces directly ocean front. Some of it under roof, some of it not. Cloudy day today, but still breathtaking ocean views from left to right, and you can hear the sound of the waves. We'll take another look walking through the living room area here, again with space for two separate seating clusters. There are some nice built-in displays here for collectibles, artwork, what have you. Again, the walls are lined with windows giving you this nice, bright, open plan. All of the windows do have custom blinds as well throughout the house. Now we are passing into the dining area. Right now the owners are not living here, so they just have some provisional furniture. The unit is being sold unfurnished, but the furnishings are here just to give you an idea as to where everything might be placed. So we have a dining space that leads through to this circular bar, a breakfast bar, an entertaining space, whatever you might want. Behind the bar we have a pantry, and then we continue through into this gorgeous open kitchen. Lots and lots of granite counter space and tons of cabinets. Here we have an island, and then along the back wall of the kitchen we have areas for the refrigerator, microwave, dishwasher, stove, and again lots of cabinet space in the kitchen. I'm going to back up just a little bit so we can really appreciate what a nice large kitchen it is. Just off of the kitchen, we have a laundry and utility room. Hookups for side-by-side washer dryer. Again, this right now is also used as a utility room. It does have space for a small bed in case you wanted to have a sleeping quarters, also known as the service quarters here in Ecuador. And it does have a small ensuite bath. Tucked under the staircase at ground level, we have a small storage closet, and we also have a half bath. Up the stairs to the second floor, we find 3 large bedrooms, each with an ensuite bath and ocean views. First, let's take a look at the master bedroom, which is absolutely huge. We're walking through the bedroom. All of these bedrooms have split air conditioning unit. The master has amazing panoramic and head-on ocean views with sliding glass doors that lead out to a balcony. Let's also take a look at the master bath, which has beautiful tile work. It has a stall shower, a separate compartment for the commode. It has huge amount of space with his and her sinks, tons of closet space, and it's even large enough to also serve as a dressing room. This apartment also has a second front door here on the top level. Semi-private elevator access comes up to the bedroom level of the penthouse, secured access with a key that the owner has. Now let's take a look at the second bedroom. Again, a very large bedroom. Just inside the door, we have the ensuite bath with a standard stall shower and a nice granite vanity. This bedroom, again, very spacious, plenty of space even for a king-size bed, and a good amount of closet space. As we leave this bedroom, we'll see there's a little seating area here in the upstairs. It would be a great office nook, even a spot for a small TV watching area. And at the back of the hallway, we have the third bedroom. Again, a very large bedroom with split air conditioning, closet, and I'll pan around so that we can take a look here at the ensuite bath. This one has a stall shower. It doesn't have the glass enclosure, but it does have the nice tile work. This beautiful penthouse is a one-of-a-kind property for a buyer who's looking for the best. It would be hard to find a penthouse with better views directly oceanfront anywhere in Salinas. It's a great open floor plan, just waiting for you to bring your furnishings and finishing touches and make it your luxury escape at the beach.